Hi there, this is Matthias, and I'd like to talk about this Excel BI challenge where we do have 9 clubs and we want to pair these clubs that each club is playing against the other 8 clubs, and each club is playing only once against another club. So, how could this solution be built? So, if we look here, we have here our 9 clubs. And next to it, we have groups of pairs. And the first group is for AC Milan. 8 times AC Milan repeated. And 8 clubs below AC Milan are in the Team 2 column. Then we go to the second club, Real Madrid, and it's 7 times repeated. And all the 7 clubs below are brought here to Team 2. AC Milan, which is above Real Madrid, is covered already here, so there is no need for it once more. And that's why we have only 7 pairs for Real Madrid. Same then for Chelsea. In this case, it's 6 times repeated, and all 6 clubs which are below Chelsea are in Team 2. And we can see here these are identical to these 6, and so on, and so on, and so on. That means we have 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 matches. 36 matches. And here you can see these are 36. And you have seen that left and right is a little bit differently built. And my solution for this was taking this into account. I was building out Team 1 column and the Team 2 column separately, both times with List.Accumulate, but then with a different formula. So list repeat for Team 1 and List.Skip for Team 2. And then this is brought together by Table.From.Columns. And it's a good solution. It works fine. It's dynamic. It's elegant, but it's a little bit advanced. So the question is whether this is also possible to build with almost only clicking and UI support. Yes, and I'm going to show you how to do this. First step is that I convert this to a table. Control T. There is a header, so okay. I change the name to clubs. Well, the formatting is not essential for the solution, but it looks better in this case without formatting or table formatting. Then we go to the Power Query editor by importing from table range. It's already called clubs. A bit bigger. And then we start. Clubs, we change to Team 1 because that's have it. Then, okay, to add the step. And now I can add a column starting with 1. This is not necessary, but it's extremely convenient, this index, because then you know exactly where you are in this table. And other solutions you would have to code a little bit. So then we have to add the column for team 2. And I'm just adding here team 1 as a placeholder. And that's not what we want. We don't want to have the same like this. What we want to have is a list of all the clubs. And we get this list here by referring to the previous step. It's called edit index. Now we have a list of 9 clubs, and that's for all lines. So if we go down here to PSG, it's still 9 clubs. So we only want to have the clubs below. And we achieve this by List.Skip. I need a comma here, and then I just bring in the index. And I have to close it. So it's a long key. I have to add a bracket. And now we have all the clubs below. So this is without AC Milan, and so on, so on, so on, and so on. Good. Now just expand this to new rows. And we do have 37 rows. That's one more than we want. And the reason is that the very last one, PSG, has no club below. It's empty. We take this out. We're almost done. We want to get rid of the index. Delete this. And we're done. It looks good, 36 rows. And now let's compare whether it's really good. And I will bring this to F1 in this existing as a table to F1 in this existing worksheet. Existing worksheet F1. Yes, it's good. Hope you enjoyed it, and until soon.